welcome to Apex London. Just in a very rainy day here in London. Filming on my phone so I can get better audio because I've got my GoPro, that's what I film with, in a waterproof casing, so not going to be able to hear many of the cars that we see. Just going to have to make a bit of montage of that, but back in London getting used to the circuit. Not many good cars out today unfortunately because of the rain, but seen a few. We're here at the Tate Modern now just to grab a coffee and have a look around because unfortunately there weren't too many cars about, so we just went on a walk around Chelsea. It was pretty cool. But I don't know if you can hear, but right in front of me is, there you go, there's fireworks for the Remembrance weekend, which is pretty cool. But yeah, here we are at Tate Modern, so we're going to take a look at that now.